Welcome back, dear friends! What is happening with the market lately? What we can expect from altcoins and which coins can bring us incredible profits? Let's take a quick look at the charts and talk about the recent price drop of all coins. Let's get straight to the point without further ado. Bitcoin is correcting the market a lot because of the last couple days. It has corrected a lot and all other coins have dropped in price a lot. But we should not really panic. This is not what we need. We should concentrate and clearly see what is happening with each coin and what we can do now. If we look at the Bitcoin chart, we can see that we may soon see the Bitcoin price return to the $70,000 range. And if we compare it with the previous candles, we can see on the chart that this is just a temporary correction, which is not a big deal. But on the contrary gives us a reason to consider buying other coins. Let's talk about Ethereum. For example, the recent drawdowns of all coins played into my hands. I have both Ethereum on my wallet here on this red candle. I expect a minimum growth to the marks of $3,060. I will fix part of the profit and continue to hold Ethereum at least to the mark of $3,070 and above. In the global perspective, I am not going to sell all Ethereum and I expect it to continue to rise to $4,000, possibly $5,000 and higher. The immediate targets are $3,600, then $3,070 and then $3,880. Ethereum has grown by 1.5% today. One of my favorite coins, Litecoin now, as well as other coins, are experiencing a strong correction, and if we take a more global perspective, we can notice that previously Litecoin was in the range of $300, $350 and $390. So if we look at where we are now, we can realize that this is a very low price range for this coin. And yes, of course, I am expecting a more global rise to at least past levels such as $100, $150, $200 and above. If we compare the chart that is happening now with the chart that happened before, we can see some similarities here. Previously there was a strong drop in the price, there was a bounce up again, there was a correction, small wave, and then there was an explosive rise in the price at the end of 2020. Then it was about 660% rise. Dear friends, now we are in a very similar situation, and in the near future I am waiting for the growth of all altcoins and also the Litecoin minimum mark of $100. If we zoom in on the chart, we can see that the lower support level helped us to stay at the current level, and then with other coins we will go straight up. My immediate targets, which I am incredibly looking forward to, are at $76, $78, $80, then $82.4 and above. Today Litecoin as well as other coins rose just a little bit by 1.65%. I also want to draw your attention to a very good coin that I have a lot of faith in, and it is currently at a very low level. From Osmo Coin I expect growth, but hundreds of percent from the current level. Let me mark the nearest targets that I expect with yellow lines, and the green lines are the targets that I expected in the longer term. The closest targets that I expect from this coin are $0.58, then $0.62, then $0.67 and higher. I think we all remember about the Manta coin that used to be worth several dollars, then its price fell to the level of $1.7 and $1.8. Now together with other coins, it also fell in the price and trades at $0.87. I believe that further this coin will not fall much and we will not see a center close to zero. As well as other coins, I expect in the short term to return to a minimum of $1.27, then $1.54, Then, as I mentioned earlier, prices of approximately $1.75 and then possibly higher back to the previous maximum marks in the range of $3 and $4. Let's take a look at the RKM coin and see that it has also fallen in price quite a bit. If we consider the previous fall and compare you with the current fall, we can realize that in the near future we will see a rapid increase in the price of this coin. I am not saying that the graph exactly repeat the previous price correlation, but by all indications, we are moving towards the fact that soon all coins will show significant growth. In the short term, I think the growth will be up to the marks marked with green lines are not in the range of $1.72, then $1.90 and $2. Also note that we clearly jumped from the lower support level, which previously twice saved us. I think this coin will be very promising, and in the near future I expect its price to return to at least $2.60 and then $3. Another coin to which you should pay attention is Aptos, which is now trading for about $6.90. If we look at a more global chart, we can see that the coin is at a very low level of its price, and if we calculate approximately how much will be the growth to its maximum, we will see a figure of 173%. All altcoins that I talked about in this video are bound to grow in the near future, and I also repeat that the coins are worth buying at such price drawdowns as now. And then in time we will be able to see incredible growth and huge profits on our balance sheet. I am extremely grateful for your activity in all social networks. Do not forget to follow and smash the like button. And don't forget register on exchanges is my referral code to get nice and big bonuses for trading. See you in the next video. Goodbye.